Getting kind of cold out here, guys. About time. You guys don't want to miss out today's video. I'm going to show you guys what you guys need to do to win that little turbo. Not surprising, we're back at the gas station again today. I'm not filling this bitch up all the way because then I'll just end up spending the whole gas. It's only getting 40 bucks. I was down to like a quarter tank yesterday, which I don't really like running my cars that low, but sometimes you just got to do it. So yeah, you guys don't want to miss out. Make sure you guys are following me on the Instagram, because that's where you guys are gonna find out how to win this bad boy. About to go get something to eat. Kind of hungry. I'm actually starving, guys. Yesterday I just had like some noodles on my night off, which I wasn't too hungry, but I just kind of wanted like a little snack. Hi, can I get 2 sausage McMuffin with egg?
Okay.
And let me get the number 7.
Number 7 meal is the burritos.
Just the burritos, please.
How many? 2?
2.
Okay.
And let me also get a breakfast deluxe.
Okay.
And 2 extra hash browns.
Next window, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Damn. Thank you. I think I like going reverse better. People are always like forgetting shit that I buy, and then when I get home I'm like, where the fuck are my 3 other burgers? Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing the brakes on the Evo, because the ones that I have on right now are super bad. It actually sounds like I'm on freaking train tracks when I step on the brakes. I went with the Hawk HPS Performance street pads for the driving that I do. No tracking, since I don't have time to be taking the car to the track right now. But for now, I really need brake pads because the front are completely gone. Like I said, it feels like I'm on train tracks when I step on the brakes, which means the brake pads are gone. So removing the brake pads on the Evo is super easy, especially having these Brembo brakes, because all you got to do is take out this little pin here, and then the second one's right here. Take out the pin, take out the bracket that's holding the brake pads, and that's pretty much it. Brake pad comes out, slide in the new one, and do the process in reverse. So pretty simple. And just like that, new brake pads are on. So I still got to do the other 3, but literally took me like 10 minutes to install the new pads. I did have to take off the caliper, just easier to mount on the pads. But check this out, this thing is freaking, these things are gone. There's no brake pad left on there. This is pretty much metal. This one was still okay, still had a little bit, but yeah, no wonder I couldn't stop. So it might be a little late into the video, but picked up this G Fuel snow cone. I've already had this one once. It's a brand new flavor. I haven't seen it around. Definitely one of the best ones out there. All right guys, so I've already tested out the brakes, broke them in a little bit. Those things bite, they grip, goddamn stopping power. But so just letting the car cool down a little bit before we actually take it out in the canyons and rip a little bit. Show you guys the stopping power. Honestly, they're good, no complaints. So like I said, the code for winning the Peppa Pig, for those of you who want it, and I hate to say it, but you guys have to live somewhere here in San Diego, Oceanside, Vista, around this area. So if you guys are located somewhere else, I'm truly sorry. Hopefully one day I can do like a giveaway where I can ship stuff for you guys who are out of state, out of country. But the code for winning the Peppa Pig is snow cone, just like this right here. So stop the video, first one that I get a message from on my Instagram, DM me snow cone, that'll be the winner. And yeah, so good luck guys. All right, let's go test out these brakes. Instantly. Not bad. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. I've been driving the car for 2 days now and those brakes are pretty good. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do recommend those Hawk brake pads. Whatever car you guys have, they're pretty good, better than OEM. I did think about going with some Brembos, but those things just created so much brake dust, so I wanted to go a different route. I've had these brake pads once, so went ahead and got them once again. I did experience a little bit of brake noise while braking at very low speeds, but hopefully they go away within time, and they do stop pretty good. So like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.